Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to explain how to create an InShot account on iPhone. Now here's the important thing, unlike some apps, InShot does not require you to create a traditional account to start editing videos or photos. You can use the app fully without signing up, but I'll show you what options are available if you want to link purchases or subscriptions. So let's get started. First, you need to tap on this InShot app if you have it. On your iPhone, to open it, you'll see the home screen with an option like video, photo, collage. So if you want to buy InShot Pro to remove watermark, unlike apps like all the apps, InShot does not have a sign in or create account button on iPhone. That means you don't need an account to use the app. All your projects are saved locally on your device and you can start editing immediately. And to create a video, you can tap on the video on the home screen, select your clips and start editing. And on Android, InShot offers an option to sign in with Google to sync project. On iPhone, there's no such account option, so everything stays on your device unless you back it up manually. So to sum up, you do not need an account to use InShot on iPhone and you can start editing videos and photos immediately. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have any queries or comments, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.